swearing-in ceremony of V.D. Satheesan as the new Chief Minister of Kerala is also shaping up into a major opposition show of strength. Top Congress leaders including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, they are expected to attend the swearing-in ceremony along with the AICC observers and a string of chief ministers from Congress-ruled states. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar are expected to be present along with two Karnataka ministers. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy is also expected along with Himachal's Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu who are on the list of attendees. But there is suspense around one man, and he is the new ally of the Congress party in the state of Tamil Nadu. Arpita, have invitations have they been extended to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay, and what are your sources telling you? Is he going to attend the swearing-in ceremony of V.D. Satheesan tomorrow?
Well, he was given the invitation on day one itself, and other invitation to other chief ministers were given. He was happy with the invitation, and he had given, sources are saying that he had said that he will try his best to make it for the oath-taking ceremony. But here officials are saying that what the chief minister's office in Tamil Nadu has said is today by evening they will confirm if Vijay will be coming or not. So on that name, we still don't have confirmation. We need to wait till evening if he will be coming. Sagrika, one thing is, if he comes in Kerala also, there are a lot of fans waiting to get a glimpse of Vijay. So that will be interesting to see what happens tomorrow when, if and when Vijay is coming, along with other chief ministers from Karnataka, Himachal and Telangana.
And let's not forget, Vijay's swearing-in ceremony in itself was a political blockbuster. Rahul Gandhi attended that swearing-in ceremony. There was a lot of conversation around the bonhomie, the camaraderie that both Vijay and Rahul Gandhi shared. The Congress party in itself tried to project that moment as, the choice of Gen Z. And now, if Vijay attends the swearing-in ceremony of V.D. Satheesan in Kerala, it could turn into a significant southern opposition photo op at the time of fast-changing political equations across southern states. Arpita, tell us more about the swearing-in ceremony. What have the preparations been like? What is it going to look like tomorrow, 10 a.m.? You've been tracking the preparations as well. Tell us about the security arrangements that have been placed. Tell us about the chatter that you're hearing from the UDF camp.
Well, confirmed top VIPs that are coming is Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. Other than that, Telangana Chief Minister and Himachal Chief Ministers have confirmed. But as far as arrangements are concerned, about 20,000 people, seating arrangements for 20,000 people have been made, and 4,500 police officials have been deployed for tomorrow's event. There will be 4 gates, 1 gate only for VIP entry, and other 2 gates for people and other attendees who will be coming. So the VIP and also there are 4 different zones where they have divided it into. One will be the VIP zone, one will be for common people, one will be for other attendees and other ministers.
All right.
So this is the arrangement.
Actually, to understand what the swearing-in ceremony will look like, what are the preparations that are in place, let's play out that report that you filed for our viewers from earlier today from the place where the swearing-in ceremony will take place tomorrow. Let's play that out.
After 10 years of LDF government, now finally UDF has come back to power in Kerala, and it is on 18th of May when the Chief Minister V.D. Satheesan and his cabinet will be taking oath here at Central Stadium in Thiruvananthapuram. Now I am standing here in at the Central Stadium where the oath-taking ceremony will be held on 18th of May, where V.D. Satheesan and his 20 ministers will be taking oath here in Thiruvananthapuram. Preparations are underway. The work is going on. There are a lot of officials who are overseeing the work currently. In fact, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will also be attending the oath-taking ceremony of V.D. Satheesan. All three BJP MLAs have confirmed of the Kerala, that is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, and the other 2 MLAs will also be attending the oath-taking ceremony. Arrangements are in full swing. police officials are here overlooking the arrangements. Also, screens will be set up outside the stadium for people who can watch, who can witness this standing outside. Because this stadium can accommodate about 20,000 people, and the arrangements are currently being made for that. His entire cabinet will be taking oath on 18th of May. So the preparations are underway, and finally, after 11 days of discussion, Kerala had got a chief minister. Even though UDF won with a good 102 seats majority, it took the Congress, the High Command, 11 days to name the chief minister. Now, finally, after 11 days, we had the chief minister, and now on 18th of May is when the chief minister, that is V.D. Satheesan, and his entire 20 ministers will be taking oath.